It is regarding one government servant by the name of Kashinath Chettiye, who is working as a junior engineer in the electricity department. Speaker sir, I have asked, has that government servant made any violations on the central civil service conduct of rules business, Speaker sir? मतलब पहिलं क्वेश्चन I have asked very specific. आता honorable minister सांगला तर तुम्ही answer करता, Speaker sir. There are so many gross violations. I have got on this matter. I have asked so many questions. I have got a big set of papers which I'll ask, and I'll give it to you, Speaker sir. I am asking you, sir, Speaker sir, that what are these gross violations? Were there any misconduct of CCR's rules? What is the action taken by the department?
Speaker sir, हो विषय मातसो म्हाका दिसता थोडो गंभीर आसा. ही व्यक्ती हाणें प्रत्येक जे कितें रुल्स आनी रेगुलेशन आहा ते प्रत्येक रुल्स एंड रेगुलेशनचो भंग केल्लो. म्हणजे सिक्रेसी एक्ट, मागीर परमिशन कोर्ट आउट ऑफ हेडक्वॉर्टर सोडटा आसतना परमिशन घेवंक जाय तें कोर्टान. आतां हांव पळयतालो, ऑनरेबल मेंबर प्रश्न विचारतलो म्हाका, बट वॉट अपियर्स that he has actually in last 5 years applied 459 applications for leave. I was trying to reconcile them with the court appearances. There are 195 court cases he has filed. I initially thought that he is from the law department, but then realized that he is filing against almost everyone. 195 cases in 5 years. 459 leave applications. I am wondering when he was working for the government.
Okay, sir.
Because government servant, I am myself wondering.
That is what
and
I am
it's not going to be easy for reconciliation of all these. So basically, as far as his leave is concerned, I will put up a senior officer.
No, but senior officer, sir, गोंयचे police नाका, sir. Sir, senior officer, हे सगळे officer, including in his department, officers म्हाका सांग, government servant, sir, leave मागता, आणि हो खंयचो VVIP government servant, खंयची एक reject ना, Speaker sir. I have got a full list of these applications, Speaker sir. सारखे गडबडीन बरयलेले आसा, कितें केल्ले आसा पळय, सगळे लिस्ट आसा, Speaker sir, म्हाजे कडेन. टोटल आसा, एक लीव रिजेक्ट केलें ना, Speaker sir. आमगे सर गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंटाची खातीर तुमकां कोण मिनिस्टर सांगूंक पडटा, सर तेजे मातशी लीव दी, कोणाची चायल्ड केअर लीव दी, आनी कसली लीव दी. एक रिजेक्ट जावना, Speaker sir. तेंची ऑफिसराचेर इन्क्वायरी करपाक जाय, सर म्हाका. आनी म्हाका खंयचे पुलीस नाका, म्हाका खंय तरी IPS ऑफिसर तुवें घालपाक पडटलो, Speaker sir.
सरकाराचेर जर तूं कितें एक्शन घेतलो जाल्यार सरकारी नोकराक एक लिमीट आसा. स्वताचे वैयक्तीक जर तूं कितें आसत जाल्यार ही डजंट हॅव टू टेक परमिशन if it is regarding his service matter. But when someone is acting like a activist, then sir, he has to take permission from the government as per CCR rule. So I will, sir, within 8 days, I will appoint someone to go into the detail, because this requires a complete analysis of when he has applied for the leave, who sanctioned it, whether the date he was in Green Tribunal at Pune, he was in Human Rights Commission, Panji, whether the leave application matches, and what was the time he was in the court, and how did he attend half day, that will have to be investigated. It's since the number, he says 900, I have got copies of 459 copies I have got here. Honorable Minister for Power told me that this involves personnel, this involves vigilance, this involves police. Then I started going through the full list, and it is even beyond my comprehension that how this could have free run for last 5 years. He seems to be having free run at the cost of government for 5 years. ह्या व्यक्तीन कितें सरकाराचें काम केलां हाजेरूय म्हाका इन्क्वायरी करूंक जाय. He was supposed to civil engineer तो, he was supposed to be doing the civil construction part of it. तो supervision केन्ना करतालो, ताका दिल्ली duty केन्ना करतालो, आनी हे activism केन्ना करतालो. I can understand 1 or 2 or 3 cases. I have never seen a person with 195 cases in 5 years, and 459 leave application, I will find out if minister is saying 900. ते काडटा म्हणजे केन्ना आसतालो तो ऑफिसान. Half day leave is another concept. If he is in Sheldon, then how he was going from Panaji to Sheldon and do half a day and still be present in the court at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. हें म्हाका पळोवपाचें.
हांवें ताका एस्टिमेट कितले केले आनी कितें केलें तें सगळे क्वेश्चन मागलेली. म्हाजे 3-4 क्वेश्न आसा. आय हॅव क्रिएटेड अ डिटेल इन्क्वायरी स्पीकर सर. आय हॅव सीन दॅट ही हॅज अपियर्ड पर्सनली ऑन सो
If the
मेनी.
member want proper inquiry, I will do it.
No,
In
it has
8 days, I will issue the order and hand his case to the vigilance with a officer who is not involved with Goa, so that he can do a fair job.
Correct, sir.